So what is the chance of that child from that place coming to get a degree like Dayo? It doesn't exist. It's very painful. Marka, during my small campaign, waxaan tagay meel la yiraahdo Cusmudule. I still remember it very well. Cusmudule has a small primary school. There were 2 teachers, and it's a full primary school, one stream. There were 2 teachers. One was TSC, one was employed by the community. Now the community itself, waxay ku nool yihiin galley. They are that poor. But they have been forced to employ a teacher. And then in the same community, there were 20 women or asay saaran. Asaydana macnaheedu waxa weeyaan, the men were killed either by Al-Shabaab or the national security. 20 of them. So what is the chance of that child from that place coming to get a degree like Dayo? It doesn't exist. It's very painful. Marka, Wajeer is 24.7 times the size of Kiambu. The size of Kiambu. To get a child, say, in Biamado or Konton or Pasanicha or Danaba, what is the cost, the educational cost to provide that child with adequate resource to compete with the other children in this country? So when you hear tunataka 1 vote 1 shilling, was it 1 vote 1 shilling? What else? There were 3 issues. 1 man 1 vote 1 shilling. For the last 50 years, before devolution, Wajeer received 5 billion shillings, because each county in Northeastern used to receive 200 million shillings through the DC. So the DC sometimes would create non-existent security matters, so that the money can be continued to be in the control of the DC. So for the last 50 years, what development that took place in Northeastern was people-generated development. There is no government-generated development in Northeastern. But now, we have a little bit resource given to us by the people of Kenya. Not by the Kenya government, by the people of Kenya. That we need to know. But we must make significant use of that resource, inshallah. That means we need to get a leadership like Dayo, sensitive to the people's need, aware of what is necessary. Where will we get development? 3 things. We need to tell this government, because some of these issues are about infrastructure. Hadda jidkaanayto, for example, Wajeer, on ku dhammaanhayn, oo lagu gaajoon yahay. Every government that comes and campaigns for us, waxay leeyihiin jidkan waa indhisayna. But it never happens. Never happens. And that is part of the infrastructure issues that even the schools depend on. Marka tuambie serikali, Mheshimiwa Ruto, mambo ni moja tu peke yake. Hii barabara tengeneza, tukupe kura 2020.